everybody, it's Ann from L's Creation. Thank you for joining me on my channel today. Today we're going to create a candle holder for you, and I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel and hope you enjoy this DIY.
Now I'm going to make a candle holder for you today. I made some lovely red ones that I showed you at the beginning of the video, and at least I hope I showed you at the beginning of the video. And now I'm going to make these, I believe, black and silver. I think that's what it is. I have this beautiful black diamond wrap. Can you see that? Where is it? Diamond wrap, diamond wrap. There you go. Beautiful black diamond wrap, but I could not find any black flowers, so I did my own version of flowers. So you will not be able to see me. I'm still getting my camera set up. I just wanted to introduce myself, but you'll be able to hear me talk. Most of my videos probably won't be talking anyway. Will just be instructions. So let's get right into the video. I hope you enjoy it. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching. Okay, I'm back now, and I just cleaned my glasses up with some alcohol. I finished stripping off the camera, and this is what they look like so far. Now, I had these two floor phones, as you can see, and I stripped those also off the camera. And I have these round mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to clean those with some alcohol. I just don't want to spend time cleaning them. Now, usually I would strip my mirrors with some bling wrap also, but I'm not going to do these like this because I'm adding flowers to them. And I usually use Windex instead of alcohol. Supposedly alcohol works better, but it streaks for me, so let's see what we can do with this. I like alcohol to clean those because it helps get the glue off, and those streaks. But I like Windex, which I can't find at the moment, to clean these. I can find the Windex because that's what I'm using to clean glasses with. But anyway, I'm going to attach these mirrors to the floor phone, and I'm going to use my E6000 to do that with. Now, I did remove the little black backing things that was on there. I don't keep those on, so it actually fits better when you remove those. And if you don't want this to be a permanent fixture, you just use the hot glue. But for me, it's going to be a permanent fixture because I want to keep these. All right. And then I'm going to take some hot glue and go in between where I put the E6000. And the hot glue just gives it a quick go. And then you just place it on there. As big as you possibly can. Press that down. And do the same for the other one. And I hope you guys can hear me because sometimes I have a tendency to go very low because sometimes I have a tendency to talk out things to myself. And there's that one. I'm just going to press it down. And see, like I said, usually before I put this on, I would strip the mirror in the same color bling, but I'm not going to do that for these because I am putting flowers around them. And oh, that was not open wrong. Too many tubes. We're going to put some E6000 around the perimeter of this one. And then we're going to center it. Just like that. I'm going to do the second one the same way. And then we're going to center it. Alright, that's that. And now what we're going to do is put some hot glue around it. Just on the perimeter. Because I want this as a permanent hold. So I want the E6000 under. So when it dries, I can rest assured that it won't fall off if you happen to lift it up by the glass. And some of these steps are just kind of time consuming, so I will do them off, a lot of them off camera, and then come back and just show you what I do, tell you what I do. There you go. And that will hold that until the E6000 dries on there, and so far, this is what we have. Just have to let those sit there. Keep moving, you might let these dry, or keep moving them. I think we'll let these dry. I'm going to add these flowers to them, but I want to make sure because I have to press against the glass. And I had the hardest time finding some black flowers, so what I did was just kind of spritz these with some silver paint. And I hope you can, if I put those there so you can see those. Just a little silver paint. And I think they turned out really nice. So we're going to, I think, let these dry for a couple of hours, even though we put the hot glue on there. Because I'm going to be pressing right against the glass with the flowers on. And then we'll be back.
Okay, so we're back after letting the flowers dry. I went ahead off camera and finished one of these lovely candle holders, and I want you to be able to see it. Move my camera back some. And I'm still not sure that you can see the entire thing there, but I hope so. Let's see. I'm gonna get it where you can see the entire candle holder. It is beautiful, I think. And then we're gonna go ahead and finish the other one for you on camera. There you go. Look at that. Look how beautiful that turned out. And I took these little candle holders and I covered in Mod Podge, if you can see that. And then I just put glitter on there. Put a bleed of hot glue up here. But we're going to go ahead and finish the other one for you so you can see that. Let's see if we are far enough out. No, we're too close. Now, here's the one that we're going to finish. We partially finished it. Yep, you can see the top of that. And I didn't have any black flowers. So what I did was I took some Rust-Oleum like mirror paint and I just spritzed some white flowers. I'm not even sure what kind these are. Let me see. I got these from the Dollar Tree actually. And they are just a patriotic bouquet, it says. It doesn't say what kind of flower it is, but they came from these. And I just took them outside and spritzed them a little bit with a little spray. And they're very light gray, and I cut the stem off of them. Stem with some wire cutters. And we're going to glue these on. I have 7 to each candle holder. I have 4 already on, so we're going to go ahead and glue the other 3 on. You don't have to put 7 if you don't want 7. I believe in the first set that I made, I only had 6, but I had a combination of red and white. So I had 3 red and 3 white. But because I couldn't find what I was looking for here, we're using all one color. And you just stick that there and let it hold or set for a second. And then you move on to the next one. Might should cut that down a tad bit lower. Just stick that there. I might have to put a little hot glue, a little more hot glue on that one. And if you want these a little bit with a little bit more permanent hold, you can actually use my fave E6000. It's a tacky glue to me, so if you put it on there and let it sit for just a minute, it gets really tacky.
So when you stick it on whatever you're going to stick it on, you don't get an instant hold, but you get like an instant set. And if you hold it there for a minute, it'll stay there until it dries. And that's what I love about the E6000. And then we're going to put the last flower in. And you have to push right up against the glass, so I didn't want to put these on while it was still wet in fear of pushing it. Pushing it off the glass. And I just fluff these out a little bit. And there you are with that. And then while we were off camera, I made these little beauties, little bows, to go on there. Actually, in a video, I'll show you how to make these. They're just bows, nothing special. And I just take a bead of glue, hot glue, and put that on there and stick the bow there. That's that. Turn it around. I put 2 bows on. If I can find the other one, here it is. Stick it on. That's that with the bows. You can have these as short as long as you want. I'll probably trim a couple of these up, and what I usually do is put a clothespin or something on these so they'll stay this way and match. But I'll do that later. Now here's the candle holder itself, and we're gonna put some E6000 on here because of course this is gonna stay, so I'm gonna put the E6000 in the middle. Hopefully you can see that. Yep, just in the middle. It's a little bit. And then we're gonna take the hot glue and run a bead around the little perimeter there. Stick it on, make sure it's centered, and press it down. The hot glue will set it, and there you are. Beautiful candle holders. And you can do these, of course, in any color that you want. I found this black diamond wrap at Hobby Lobby, I believe. And I had a, maybe it was Michael's, one of them, but I had a 40% off, so it ended up being like $5, I think, something like that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, my first YouTube video, please give me a like, subscribe, a thumbs up, any comments that you may have, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for tuning into my channel.